that's our first part, first verse. So we got A power chord, 5-7-7, down to G, F, and then F to G, A, G, and just one F, and then F to G, one strum each, and then we're going to E to the F, G to the E, and then we're going A to the D on an upbeat there at the end of the measure. Okay, the second time through, 3 and 4 and. This time we're gonna go. So we're going E, F, F, stop, and then we got. We got 3 E's at the end there, and 4 and. Okay, so we got. We had 8 A's to a D there, and then we're gonna have a cool little fill. Okay, so that goes 10 to 11 on the G to little 10, and then 12s, use these 2 fingers, 13s, 14s. Then we get into a little interlude riff. We got. Okay, so that's 12. And then 8-7-8 to 10 on the second string to 8-7-8 again. So okay, and there's kind of some harmony notes going on in there, so there's more to it than that. But that's kind of the basic kind of lead line. So we're gonna do that 8 times. So let's try that. 3 and 4 and. Okay, then we have a new riff. Okay, so we had the 8 times, then we go second string, 5th fret. So 5 twice. To 7 to 9, and then start on the 6, 6, 8, and 10. And then start on the 8, 8, 10, and 12. And then trill here on the little E string, 11 and 12. Now there's another riff that happens. It's gonna go. So that's F, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2. And it's gonna go back 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0. And then it's bum, 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 bum. And when we go to, that's gonna be bum, 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 E, F, bum, 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 bum. So the E is holding on that. Okay, so that's the, and then is the, and then is the, and this part goes with. So once again, that interlude bit was. Okay, and then we're going to come out with. And then we won't do anything there. That's the maracas part. And then we're going to go. So that's a triplet into that last one. So it's. And then we have E, F, 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 F. So 3 E's and 4 F's. E, E, F, 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 F. And then we got an A to the D. And then I, D to C. Then we're getting to the outro. We got A, B, and C power chords. And Okay, so 4 times of that. A, B, C. And then do like G bar chord. Make sure you hear that 4 up there. It's kind of the leading tone. Then we're gonna go to F. You wanna hear that 2. And then we're gonna go to a G where we hear the open G. So that the melody kind of went within that chord sequence. So. And then we got. Okay, so that was 7/8, 7/5 to the 8 on the second, back to the A note there to an A power chord. Okay, so a little review. We got. Okay, then the next verse is 3 and 4. And then we wait. A to the D. Then we got that. And as that's holding out, he'll kind of come down here to this E flat, kind of bend it, kind of weird to make another extra lower kind of little fill there. Then we got the next verse, maracas. Here goes the triplet, then E to F, and then A to D, upbeat D. Then D, D, C, I, I, I. Then we got the A, B, C power chords, walk up into the outro. G to F, open G, and then got that 7/8, 7/5 to 8 to 5. Got an A power chord. All right, why does it hurt when I pee? Frank Zappa. You got to listen to Joe's Garage to figure it out. All right, talk to you soon.